Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of Miss Planet. We are so glad you could join us. So this week is a Dollar Tree challenge, and I'm doing it for one of the most requested centerpieces to date. So 90% of the items or the supplies needed for this project came directly from the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited to show you how to put this all together. It's so simple, but when I tell you, it is so elegant and just kind of awe-inspiring. So what are we waiting for? Let's get ready for this week's episode, Dollar Tree Challenge Magnolia Wedding Centerpiece. Okay guys, let's get to it. So first I want to show you just how simple it is to put these candle operas together. So I took a 10-inch tapered candle that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm using my foam cutter just to cut it in half. Very simple. Then I use this wonderful product called Stickum. You put it on the end of the candlestick, you stick it in your candle holder, also from the Dollar Tree, and then you place it in your cylinder vase. Now, for this next one, we're going to use a glass in a glass. That way you can add greenery, you can even add flowers to it, whatever you would like. So you have options here. You can use the greenery, or you could just put it glass in a glass. Just look how beautiful this all comes together. Can you believe this is from the Dollar Tree? Yes, the Dollar Tree. I just love how it came out. Please remember, you can use any type of focal flower that you want. You can change out the magnolias and make them roses. You can even adjust the color. It can be pink or purple, whatever you would like. I just did the white so you guys can take it and run with it. Remember, we give you the plan, you take it, and you make it your own. If you like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or a comment, leave it right down there in the question comment section. I answer them myself personally, not anyone on my staff. It does take me a minute to get to them, but don't worry, we have a wonderful DIY community that if I don't get to it, trust me, they will help you out. It takes a village, guys. It absolutely does. You can also hang out with us some more on our social media, and that would be Facebook, Twitter or X, Instagram, and don't forget to check out our fantastic Pinterest page. I absolutely love posting on Pinterest. It just allows my creativity to run wild. So check out our Pinterest page for more wonderful ideas. In addition to that, don't forget to sign up for your Rakuten account. That's where they pay you to shop. You simply go into the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account and get paid for your qualified purchases. It's really that simple. Well guys, our time is up. It goes by so fast. First, we want to thank you for spending this time with us. We know you have so many options on YouTube, and we don't take it lightly that you choose to spend your time here with us at Miss Planet. Also, don't forget to check out our website, missplanet.com. You can click right there in the corner. It'll take you directly there for more picture and written instructions for all of our projects, as well as cost-saving tips and cost-saving blogs that can help you when you're planning your wonderful event. Don't forget there's also a free resource library that we do update on a regular with free materials just to help you create the wedding or event of your dreams. Well, that brings us to an end. So until next time, always remember, when every penny counts, you can count on Miss Planet. Please take care of yourself. We will see you soon. God bless.